Oh, well, I'll just have to redo it again. Okay. It's hot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jen and you're hanging out with me on Live with Jen, and today I am going to be showing you 3 quick, easy top knots for Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving is a day where you actually have to dress up and look presentable for your family. And if you have long hair like mine, sometimes it can be a total drag trying to figure out what to do with your hair on holidays, special occasions, that it's gonna be cute and easy so you can stay in bed for as long as you need to. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoy hair tutorials and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, here's the tutorial. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into this 3 easy top knot tutorial for Thanksgiving. If you would like to see my latest video, click right up here. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, click right here. If you want to check out my husband's channel, click right down here.